Your child can't even sit still for a minute. They are easily distracted and showing lack of interest in learning. Why? Hi everyone, I'm Miss Ho, founder of Alpha and Friends, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how to double your child's concentration. Children are naturally curious with unmatchable energy. When the task they are getting isn't fun, they get bored and quickly shift their attention to something more interesting, unlike us adults, where we complete tasks whether we like it or not. Our children are demonstrating signs of low concentration when you notice this behavior: lack of interest in things, inability to sit still, easily distracted, difficulty following instructions, or inability to keep things organized. So, experts suggest many different techniques to improve children's concentration. For example, we need to prepare a distraction-free environment. No TV nearby, put away all the gadgets, smartphones or tablets. They also suggest parents to allow children to have little naps or breaks to boost their concentration. Well, from my experience, the most important factor is the child's learning interest and motivation. I have seen children who were so engrossed in building their spaceship, car or robot. Children who were so oblivious of the surrounding when they were experimenting the chemical reactions between 2 ingredients. Children who were focused when trying to solve a puzzle or merely observing the ants move. I even experienced a total silence when we asked the children to test out their boats on the water and see how much weight their boat can hold. When they are doing something they really like or enjoy, they will be able to stay focused. So, engaging in lots of hands-on activities and fun games can help in building their concentration. We should plan those enjoyable games or activities into a weekly routine so that they can look forward to. It helps also to maintain a schedule for their daily activities so that they know when they should be doing what and for how long. Another strategy I often used was to divide the bigger tasks into smaller ones. This is to help make it achievable in a shorter time and allow the child to be able to focus in completing it. So remember, provide a distraction-free environment, let your child have little breaks, allow your child to explore his learning interests, engage in fun learning hands-on activities, and break the bigger tasks into smaller ones. These 5 tips will help to double your child's concentration. Okay, that's all for today. If you think what I've shared is helpful, please share and comment below.